What up, though? Man, Jonathan Majors. Man. Ain't this about a bit? Grace JABBARI, his ex-girlfriend, she took the stand in court. And from what I read, like right here, Grace JABBARI was on the stand detailing how they met on the set of the movie Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. She told jurors the relationship intensified quickly before it became abusive. Opening statements in Jonathan Majors' domestic assault trial began in Manhattan. As CBS New York's Jessica Moore reports, JABBARI sobbed as she told the jury Majors, 34, threw glass candles at her head when she asked if he was okay. Didn't speak to her for days because she went to a music festival. And berated her for mentioning an ex-boyfriend. Testimony stopped at one point because she was overcome with emotions. Look, man, I seen this shit. It's movies based on this shit. I seen this shit 100 times over. At the end of the day, it's like, what I feel Jonathan Majors is guilty of is being a player, womanizer. That ain't against the motherfucking law. This is hurt feelings, man. And you got the audacity to be walking in here with this, Megan Good fine. Like, okay, you really like moved on. Then it was a text message saying some chick named Cleopatra. What type of shit is that? Saying, I wish I was kissing you right now. She got the tweaking. She talking about when she snatched his phone or whatever, he put her arm behind her back. He put her arm behind her back and was trying to parry the phone from her. But whole time, and he slapped her across the face. But whole time, the motherfucking driver of the vehicle, that's the witness right there. He the motherfucker that seen the whole event unfold. Like, that's who need to be on the stand. Now, when he take the stand, I feel like the defense go win this case. I feel like they go win this case is because this is just hurt feelings. This 30-year-old chick, she dating, probably one of the biggest movie stars currently right now in the world. He chopped her up on the set. Like, okay, and she said she was a professional dancer. He wanted to see what that was like. You know what I mean? Like, shit, she, you know what I mean? She know how to put her legs behind her back, all kind of shit popping off. And now all of a sudden, damn, I've been hitting you. And they had a recording of the nigga. They had a recording of the nigga saying, I need a bit, excuse my language about this. I ain't mean to say the B word, but I need a woman like Coretta Scott King. I need a woman like Michelle Obama. Noted. I don't know why he want Michelle Obama, because the Obamas ain't do nothing for black people in America. Not significantly. You know what I mean? They ain't, but that's another story for another day. We ain't gonna get into that. We talking about this case. Did more for my other minorities besides black folks, but it is what it is. But I want a chick like Coretta Scott King and Michelle Obama. So when I don't need you, and then they said when she came in, she was drunk, and he started telling her that shit. Like, bitch, you all drunk out of your body and shit. What's up with you? The whole time, the motherfucking driver of the vehicle was like, she was going psycho on him. And then if he did all that, he slapped shit out you, put your arm behind your back. But he the one that get out the car with bruises and shit on him. He get out the car with bleeding and shit. And then they had fucking footage a few months ago of Jonathan Majors walking down the street with Grace sitting there talking to these other people. It showed she was trying to come after him, trying to like, babe. He walked off on her like, bitch, get your goof ass home somewhere. You weird. Like, you know what I mean? So if he did all that to you, he been this abusive man. Why is you trying to chase after him? He's been a complete asshole, according to you. Why is you trying to go after this man? Because a motherfucker that's abusive and on bullshit, I'm trying to stay away from them people. That's something. That's human nature. Like, I ain't finna put myself in if I'm in a negative situation, I'm not finna indulge in it. I'm not finna stay here. Like, I ain't finna just be sitting here chilling with this motherfucker and this person is crazy. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, come on, man. Like, this is a hurt feelings. This white girl, she got her feelings hurt because Jonathan Majors was cheating on her. That's what he guilty of. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. They sound like the nigga, you know what I mean? Shit. I got a couple, he Jonathan Majors at the time, you know what I mean? Hot, Ant-Man, Creed, The Harder They Fall, he had other movies lined up. He the new big bad of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and he's still low-key young. He only 34 years old. At the time, he was 33. So it's like, I'm young, I'm hot, I'm popping. My daughter and me ain't got to live in no hotels no more. We ain't homeless. We ain't out here fucked up. You fucked up, Jonathan, by dating this white girl. That's just what it is, nigga. And I ain't even finna just put no color on it, but at the end of the day, she is white. And she's trying to destroy you because her feelings is hurt. Why is you chasing after this man that put his hands on you? Why is you trying to texting him and wanting to keep talking to him and wanting to keep fucking on him and wanting to keep doing all this shit? But whole time, he abusive. He beating the shit out you. He twisting your arm behind your back. He doing all this shit. Jonathan, the defensive attorney, was like, basically like, the driver of the vehicle said she was going psycho. She was doing all the hitting, spitting, and grabbing and shit. The driver said, Jonathan, man, I'm out. Pull this motherfucking car over, man. I'm getting out. Shit, I ain't got time for this crazy ass little broad. Like, she tripping. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, why is you trying to destroy this man? Because of some hurt feelings? Because your feelings got hurt because he don't want to fuck with you no more. He found the new chick, I guess at that time, some chick named Cleopatra. You know what I mean? Her head game is vicious. I gotta go see her. Nah, let me quit bullshitting, but and now he got making good. You know what I mean? That time, Jonathan cashed out with that one. But you know what I mean? So I don't want you no more. What is the nigga guilty of? Being a womanizer. And they do got the recording of him saying, like, bitch, I don't need a bitch drunk and fucked up like that. I need a motherfucking Michelle Obama or a Coretta Scott King. Because I'm doing great things and I'm a great man. And ain't nothing wrong with him saying that. I don't think nothing wrong with that. That's what's wrong with a lot of black folks in America, because we were slaves for over 400 years. And we still get treated like bullshit. They put the gays, they put the Spanish, the Asians, they put everybody before us. And we built this motherfucking country as servants. So ain't nothing wrong with saying I'm a great man. Ain't nothing wrong with a woman saying I'm a great woman. So I don't need you acting all crazy and drunk and outside of your body, shorty. You fucking bitch. If we walk on the red carpet, you gotta be smooth. I don't need you falling and shit because you had a few shots of tequila. Like, you understand what I'm saying? And then earlier reports, when the shit first popped off back in March, a month or two after that, little allegations and rumors was coming out that she was, the police is coaching her what to say, and I'm pretty sure the prosecution team is coaching her what to say on the stand. They probably was nervous than a motherfucker when she got on the stand. Her own team was probably nervous. No, we had a few months to coach her. We had a few months to scold her about what to say and what to do. Y'all know damn well this man ain't put his hands on his broad. Y'all just trying to burn the nigga. And then this is a damn domestic misdemeanor. Most time you can get off of that is a year. 90 days at the most. I mean, a year at the most, 90 days at the least. You understand what I'm saying? This ain't no fella. What the hell? I'm pretty sure these cases don't even go to fucking trial. There's some shit you said, man, first day of court. Look, man, woo, woo. And then, like, why is y'all dragging this out? This shit been going on since March. That's damn near the whole year. That was only 3 months into the year. So this been going on the whole year. It's December 6th. Like, what is we doing in court? Your Honor, this lady, she's hurt. She's in her feelings. She fell in love with me. He told her that he loved her. He was fucking up. Like, I'm gonna be 100 with you, my nigga. What is you telling her all that shit for? Knowing damn well you just probably wanted the hit, nigga. You know what I mean? I just want to see what that ass like, because she a professional dancer. She know how to bend and twerk and throw her body all around. So I'm trying to, get up in the room and you know, what it is with the bro. You know, but all this goofy shit. But that's the key motherfucking witness is the driver of the vehicle. That's the key witness. At the end of the motherfucking day, at the end of the day, and they say at the end of the day, that's when he take the stand, that's who go win him the motherfucking case. And it says right here, Majors and his attorneys have claimed Jabbari was the one who attacked him, saying she was having an emotional crisis, and Majors was a victim defending himself. His lawyer, Priya Chaudhry, or whatever, she says she has video evidence showing irrefutable evidence that the woman is lying, including video proof showing nothing happened, especially not where she claimed. His lawyer said Majors was the only person who emerged bloody from the car after Jabbari scratched him. The defense also argued Jabbari spent the next few hours partying with strangers, showing no signs of physical injury. Like, you know, like, and that's another thing. Like, okay, all right, basically, I just folded your arm up and slapped the shit out you, and I got out of this car. And then a few hours, few minutes later, you get out the motherfucking whip and you go chill. And this video footage of her, you know, on the street talking to these strangers. And Majors walked past her and was like basically, don't touch me, like, get away from me. Why is you going after him? You know, that's what I don't understand. And then, all right, he gone. She like, fuck it. She met these strangers and she went to the club, shaking her ass, partying it up, being her profession, which is a professional dancer. She dancing. If a motherfucker folded your arm up and slapped the shit out of you, why you ain't got no bruises? In domestic cases, that's evidence. Why does Jonathan Majors have scratches and shit on him, but you ain't got none? Jonathan Majors ain't no little dude, you know what I mean? And you a little small, little tiny, little white girl. You would have had, and then you white. See, you know, white people, they bruise. You know, they're talking about colored people. Y'all motherfuckers turn all kind of colors. But she would have had some bruises, especially if he slapped her across the face or punched her across the face. The driver of the vehicle said the man ain't do none of that shit. She was the one that was tweaking, and he got the fuck up out of the car. And she trying to chase after him. Babe, he like, shorty, get your ass on some motherfucking well. He fucked up by fucking with her. That's his only. I'm gonna be 100, Jonathan. You fucked up by fucking with her, dude. You in this situation because you telling the bitch you love her. You telling her she's your everything and all that old bullshit. You planted some seeds that grew out of control. And you don't know what. That's what I be saying, man. Us black man, we gotta start when you. This is the best game I can get somebody that gave it to me. So I'm paying it forward. As a black man, we need to start. If we date black women, white women, Mexican women, Asian, they don't give a fuck what kind of woman you date. We need to start. And women, you can take this into consideration too. You can, do the same thing I'm finna say. We need to start doing criminal and clinical background checks on motherfuckers. Straight up. Straight the fuck up. We need to start doing criminal and clinical background checks. Because at the end of the day, we ain't finna. Or you gonna find yourself in these type of situations. You don't know who you dealing with, man. This when you first meet with somebody, they're a stranger. You don't know this person, they don't know you. You like they smile, they like your smile. Y'all end up fucking, it was good. You understand what I'm saying? But check these motherfuckers' medicine cabinets, man. Check her dresser drawer. If it's psychological and mental pills and shit all on the motherfucking medicine cabinet. If she got a therapist, he got a therapist, them are red flags. Like, this woman been through some shit. She probably got abused when she was a little girl. She probably her dad probably a drunk, her mom's probably a dope fiend, and vice versa. This little boy, he grew up in a hostile environment. Motherfuckers I'm telling you, motherfuckers gotta start doing clinical and criminal background checks. If you do a criminal background check, this bitch, she done stabbed her boyfriend. She done She prostitution, pimping and pandering, human trafficking across state lines. She a thief. She got theft charges, all kind of. We motherfuckers got to start doing that because you got to protect yourself, your temple, which is the body. You got to protect yourself. So to say all that, like Jonathan, man, like look, bro, like you messed up, my nigga, by leading this chick on, probably fucked the dog shit out of her, and now, and you told her you love her, and you told the broad how you want her to act. Like, I don't need you all drunk. I'm a great man that's doing great things for my culture, which is us black folks, and for the world. He said that. So, but hey, Jonathan, first of all, my nigga, this is a white woman you talking to, so she can't go accordingly to our culture because she's not in it. So that like if I was Jonathan Major homeboy, I'd be like, dude, what the fuck wrong with you fucking with her, man? Like all that bullshit aside, all that being biased and politically correct shit popping off now, nigga, I'm your nigga. I'm gonna give you the game for real. I ain't no yes man. Leave that broad alone. You understand me? And then I hear black chicks talking about, y'all always run back to us when the white bitches be having y'all fucked up. Ain't that we running back to y'all shit? We black men, y'all black women. We chill. We with it. But a lot of niggas, a lot of us black men, we the only race of men in this country that date outside of our damn race. Asians be with Asians. Mexicans be with Mexicans. White folks be with white folks. You understand me? Us black people, we got a Sarah, we got a Shaniqua, we got a motherfucking a Kim Lee, and we got a motherfucking a La Cienega. Yeah, like we all over the motherfucking place. But to say all that to say this, man, I feel like the defense is gonna win their case when this driver get on the stand. Because ain't no way in the world this man getting out this damn car bloody, scratches and shit all on him, and you ain't got no marks, you ain't got no wounds, you ain't in pain, because you couldn't been in pain if you in the club shaking your ass. If a motherfucker beats you up, you're going to the hospital, or you go seek somewhere where you can get your mind right. You know what I mean? But not no dance club. That ain't nowhere you get your mind right after a motherfucker just put their hands on you. So Jonathan Majors, what he is guilty of, womanizing, being a player, and probably scolding the bitch. But that's not against the law. The nigga said, I'm a great man that's doing great things. And us black folks need to have that confidence in us. We need to wake up every day and let ourselves know that I am the shit. I'm the man. I am a good woman. I am a good man. And I need a good woman on my side, or I need a good man on my side. I'm a king. She my queen. I'm a queen. That's my king. We need to have that confidence. Ain't nothing wrong with him saying that. So y'all comment, man. Like, subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know what y'all think about this situation. I think she lying. I think it's just hurt feelings. You don't love me no more. You don't want to be with me, babe. I'm sorry. I love you. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like that's what I feel like. That's what it is. And Jonathan, like, shorty, get your goof ass on somewhere. I'm done fucking with you. You ain't jumping in these private planes and up in these suites and shit, big ass cribs and condos and shit. You know what I mean? You can't get this kind of, it's over with. So, like I said, man, subscribe to the channel, comment, man, tell me what y'all think about the whole situation. I feel like this is a bunch of, hurt feelings and mixed emotions. So now she like, shit, well, since you don't want me no more, motherfucker, I'm finna hit you where it hurt. I'm finna fuck your whole career up over a goddamn misdemeanor domestic. I guess it ain't no rape, it ain't no murder, ain't no felony level domestic. This is a misdemeanor, and this is hurt feelings. I'm done. It's PT from the Low. Subscribe to the channel.